don't know if you have one of them, one of those right there. I don't know if you have one of those or not, but you should. I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but that is terrible. It's been sitting all winter. It's full of crud. I had to clean the funnel like you clean a barrel of a shoulder fired type rig. But, I got some old gas. I'm gonna rinse her out and clean her out. I'm gonna rinse it out and clean it out and see if we can get it to run. It's one of my HotRod mowers with a on-off switch. So up is on, down is off, and it's designed so that you just push down and it will shut off. You have to kind of reach underneath. Just push down on it, boom, and it's off. Boom. How you doing? On, boom, off. No brake, none of that. Pull cord's been shortened up a little. Had a little issue with it there. Still works good though. Good mower. Well, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Need both hands. Clean the jug off, but you just dump this dirt in there. Dump it in the funnel and then down it goes. You always got to check up under this lip. Got to collect up underneath there. We got a straight 30 weight heavy diesel. I think this is Rotella. They don't hold much, so it's really important to keep it full. Make sure it's on. That feels good. So that's it. I'll give it a little test mow before I throw it in the back of the truck, but that'll be the mower that I use down to Camp Doobie to get everything mowed so we can get everything raked up. But that's success because of that. Sucked all the water and crud that was in there. And it seemed to pick it up and run, so. Not gonna shake it, but you gotta make sure they got oil in them. Gotta make sure they got oil in them. You ruin them if you don't.